Hello everyone and welcome to Machine Learning and AI Tutorials. In this tutorial, we explain how to install and run on a local Linux Ubuntu computer the newest NVIDIA model called Nemotron 3 Nano with 30B parameters. In particular, we explain how to install a quantized version of this model on a local computer. For example, I was able to run this model on my NVIDIA 3090 GPU, which has 24 GB of VRAM, and the model execution is really fast. By the end of this video tutorial, you will be able to run this model inside of this graphics user interface, which is generated by a very useful program called Open WebUI. Okay, to demonstrate how this model is executed and run on my local computer inside of this graphic user interface, which is running inside of my web browser, I will ask a question: how to solve a quadratic differential equation? And let's see the answer. Now the model is again being loaded, and the first time you're running the model, it's going to take some time to load. Now you can see the thinking phase over here, and the response will be generated. And here it is. This execution was really fast. And what you can see over here is that Open WebUI has a latex interpreter inside, so the equations can be nicely performed. In fact, the response can even be formulated over here as a table, and it has really nice formatting. Note over here that I'm not running online this model, that is, I'm completely running this model on my local computer. Okay, let's start with installation. The idea over here is to first install Ollama. Ollama is a framework for downloading and easily installing and running large language models on local computers. Ollama is really easy to be used, and we are going to use Ollama as a backend. As a front end, we are going to use Open WebUI to generate a graphics user interface. So let's start. First of all, go to the Ollama website. Here it is, ollama.com, or simply search Ollama. Then over here we need to install. Click on download, click on Linux, and here is the installation command. However, before you can execute this installation command, you have to make sure that curl is installed on your system. To install curl on your system, you need to do the following. First of all, open a terminal, and inside of the terminal you need to update and upgrade your system. You can simply do that by typing this. This will update the package list, and it will also upgrade them. And here you need to be patient. Depending on how fast you execute this command, it might take even a few minutes for this command to be executed. And that's it. Let's press Y over here, and let's wait. Ollama can be installed with a single command. Just simply copy this command and paste it inside of your terminal, and this will install Ollama by using curl. Note over here that it's going to take a while to install Ollama, consequently be patient. And after some time you should see this response, and you should see NVIDIA GPU installed. Let's test Ollama by simply typing Ollama, and you should get this response if Ollama is properly installed. Okay, the next step is to download the model. Go to Models, and then here you can simply search for Nemotron 3 Nano. Here it is. Click over here, and here you select the latest version. So click over here. Now, note over here the quantization. The quantization is Q4KM, and this is a very heavy quantization such that this model can be executed on a local computer. You can see all the possibilities. It can provide tools, thinking cloud, and it has 30 billion parameters. Okay, so how to run this model? Well, copy this command, go back to the terminal, paste, but don't execute. Simply type Ollama pull. This will simply download the model from the online repository. Note over here that the size of the model is 24 gigabytes. And depending on how fast is your internet connection, it might take 4 or 5 minutes or even 10 minutes to download the model. Consequently, be patient. After the model is downloaded, you will see this message. Now type Ollama list to list all the downloaded models, and here it is. Next, let's run this model. To run the model, simply copy this name and type Ollama run and then the name of the model. And here it is. So let's test this model. Again, the model is running on a local computer. So let's ask something like this. Who are you, for example? And here it is. And here is the response. Good. This means that the model is working. So let's press Ctrl C to stop, Ctrl Z to exit, and the next step is to run the model inside of the graphics user interface. As mentioned previously, we are going to do that by using test or Open WebUI. First of all, let's go to the home folder and then let's create a workspace folder. Okay, then let's navigate to this workspace folder, and inside of this workspace folder, let's create our Python virtual environment. However, let's first verify that Python is installed on our system. We can simply type this. This is actually for Windows. We should actually, for Linux system, type something like this, and you should see the response. Remember these three numbers, 3.12. Let's first of all install a command for creating Python virtual environments. Here it is. Make sure that these three numbers match these three numbers, and let's press enter, and here it is. After that, we need to activate the Python virtual environment. We can simply do this, or actually create the Python virtual environment, and to activate the Python virtual environment, we need to type this. And now we are inside of the Python virtual environment. We need to install Open WebUI. Luckily, this can be done with a single command, pip install Open WebUI, and note over here that this command will take a while to be executed. Namely, we need to install a bunch of libraries. Consequently, be patient over here. After approximately 10 minutes, all the libraries are installed, and let's start Open WebUI. You can do it like this and press enter. Now, the libraries will actually be further installed, and after some time, you will be able to run the model inside of the graphics user interface. Good. After you see something like this, you will be able to run it. To run the model, simply copy this address or enter this address inside of your web browser. So simply type this, then click on Get Started, and over here you can enter whatever you like, and then set some password. You're just locally setting the admin account, which is not necessary for testing the model. And click here. And click OK, let's go. And then here you can see that automatically Nemotron 3 Nano latest with 31 or 32 billion parameters is recognized. Make sure that you select it and type hello, who are you, and let's see what happens. Now the model is being executed. Wait for a while. First thing what will happen is that the model will be loaded inside of your GPU, and here it is. So you can ask something like this: what is your advantage over other models? And ask a question, and you will see that the model will summarize the advantages of this model compared to other models. Here you need to be patient. You can see that response is being generated, and you can see over here that the response is generated. What is very interesting about this model is that it's a multi-modal model. This means that you can also use images to recognize images and all these type of things. Good. Okay, that's all for today, and thanks for watching.